Hello friend, today we will learn Python data structure and then the first data structure of Python, namely list. Python data structures are very intuitive from a syntax point of view and they offer a large choice of operations. If we come to the data structure list, a list represents the most versatile type of data structure in Python. A list is nothing but a container which holds comma separated values, that means items or elements between square brackets. As lists keep data together, we can then perform the same method and operations on multiple values at once. Lists indices start from 0 and lists are mutable. That means we can alter the value at any index. Now we will learn how to create a list. Firstly, I am creating a empty list here. Here A is a empty list without any value. Secondly, I am creating a list B which is of integer type. That means each value of this list are 1 integer. Then here the third list C is a list of string. That means each value of the list C is 1 string. Now the last list, that means list D, is a list of mixed type. That means here one value of string type and other value is a integer type. Now we will learn how to access each individual items of a list. Let's take an example of B. In this case of list B, here we are having 4 elements, namely 6, 3, 6, 5, and each element have a index value. The index value of 6 is 0. The index value of 3 is 1. The index value of 6 is 2 and the index value of 5 is 3. If we want to access this value 3, then we just simply write here B and in square bracket put the index of value 3. Then what is the index of value 3? The index of value 3 is 1. If we run it, then it will show that the value of index 1, that is 3. Similarly, if you want to access the value Sachin from the list C, then what is the index of Sachin? The index of Sachin is 1. That means the index of Saurav is 0, the index of Sachin is 1 and index of Rahul is 2. And if we want to access this, we just need to write C and in square bracket the index of value Sachin, and this will give the value Sachin. In case of Python list, we can access every items or every values with two different type of index. In forward mode, suppose in this case of list C, the Saurav having the index 0, the Sachin having the index 1 and the Rahul is having the index 2. But in reverse mode, this Rahul have the index -1, the Sachin is -2 and the Saurav is -3. Let's take an example of this. So we already know that in forward mode the Sachin having index value 1. Similarly, for reverse mode, the index starting from the end of the list, that means the end value is Rahul and the index value is -1. Similarly, the Sachin having the index value of Rahul -1. So what is the index value of Rahul? Rahul's index value is -1, then -1, the index value of Sachin is -2. So if we put here C, then inside this -2, then this will give again similar Sachin. Let's take a detailing of index in list. In case of this example, suppose this list having these 7 elements starting from A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That means these 7 elements are the values of list. Now each element have an index. In forward mode, this A having index 0, and in reverse mode the index having -7. Similarly, the last value G having index in forward 6, and in reverse mode it is having -1. That means in forward mode it start from 0 and end with the total length of the list 7 minus 1. That means end with 6. In reverse mode the index start from the end of the list, that means -1, and it end with minus of the length, so -7. As we have said in the beginning, lists are mutable data type. That means we can alter any value of a list. For example, I am here taking a list L which is having this 7 value. Suppose we want to change the value E to a new value 3. So first here I am creating a list and then printing the list. So this will give the original list which is having E value. Now our requirement is to change the value of E to a new value integer 3. To do that, we are simply accessing the value E or the place of E and assign with a new value 3. So what is the index of E? The index of E is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the index of E is 4, and here I am passing the index value to the list with a square bracket and then assigning the value 3 to the list of index 4. Then if we print the list again, then this will show that in place of E we are having a value 3. That means we can alter any value of list L with a new value. This is all because list is a mutable type of data structure. If any data structure is immutable, then we cannot change any value of a data structure.